Class 9, today's topic is trigonometry, chapter number 19. First of all, in trigonometry there are 6 functions: sine, cos, tan, cot, cosec, sec. And there is a use of right angle triangle. According to this right angle triangle, there are some formulas. See, let this angle be theta. Theta denote any angle. Let angle A be theta, and theta opposite side will be perpendicular, and 90-degree opposite side will be always hypotenuse, and third side will be base. Now see sin theta formula. According to this theta, what will be sine? Sin theta equals to perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Similarly, cos theta is a base upon hypotenuse. Tan theta perpendicular upon base. Cot will be base upon perpendicular. Cosec is hypotenuse upon perpendicular, and sec is hypotenuse upon base. So all these are formulas. So learn all these formulas. And now see the exercise 19a. Sin theta value we have to find out by this diagram. So in this diagram, all the values are given, and theta is given over here. So theta opposite side will be this one. So this theta opposite side will be always perpendicular like this. So 5 is a perpendicular, 13 is a hypotenuse, and this will be base. Now sin theta perpendicular upon hypotenuse, so 5 upon 13 answer. Cos theta will be base upon hypotenuse. This is the answer now. Similarly, tan theta, P by B, perpendicular upon base, 5 upon 12. Sin square theta will be 5 upon 13 square. Answer. Cos square theta will be 12 upon 13 square. And tan square theta will be 5 upon 12 whole square, 25 upon 144. So this is your question number 2. Now see question number 3 in the same exercise 19a, question number 3. This is the diagram. Again give the answers. Theta, now this time theta is given here, not here. See here. So theta opposite side is perpendicular. So first of all, check the theta opposite side. The theta opposite side will be always perpendicular. This is perpendicular. Now this is hypotenuse, and this will be base. So tan theta is perpendicular upon base, 4 by 3. And now tan square theta will be 4 by 3 whole square. Tan cube theta, 4 by 3 cube, 64 upon 27. And now sin cube theta, find the sin theta. Sin 4 by 5 perpendicular upon hypotenuse, and make the cube. Answer. Similarly, cos cube, B by H, base upon hypotenuse, 3 by 5 cube, 27 upon 125. Now this is your exercise 19a. There are 4 questions in your this exercise 19a. So we have done 2 questions. Now see new exercise 19b. See the value, tan theta value is given 5 by 12. So now see tan formula, perpendicular upon base. So first of all, draw one triangle, right angle triangle, and consider theta. Anywhere you can consider, either here or here. So I have taken here theta. So tan theta is given 5 by 12. So it means tan formula is perpendicular upon base. So perpendicular supposed to be 5 and base supposed to be 12. So 5 and 12. Now put these value in diagram. Now by using Pythagoras theorem, AC square equals to 5 square plus 12 square. Pythagoras theorem. So AC will come out 13. Now we know this side is a 13. This side comes 13. Now get the value of sine. They are asking sine value. Sine P by H, perpendicular upon hypotenuse, 5 upon 13 answer. Cos B upon H, base upon hypotenuse, answer. Now see question number 6. In question number 6, there is a given one. This figure is actually rhombus. ABCD is a rhombus. Rhombus diagonals are given. AC and BD length are given. AC is 6, BD is 8. So diagonal always bisect in rhombus, you know that. They will be divided into equal halves, 3 and 3. Similarly, this 8 will divide 4 and 4. And diagonal bisect each other at 90 degree, right angle. Now find angle OCD. OCD is this angle. So take this right angle triangle. According to this right angle triangle, this is perpendicular, this is hypotenuse, and this is base. Use the Pythagoras, get the value of DC. 4 and 3 we know, so it will come as 5. So sine OCD, OCD, this angle, sine perpendicular upon hypotenuse, 4 upon 5. See this. Now see the question number 12. In the question number 12, diagram is already given. This value is given 2, this is 1. By Pythagoras, it will come out root 5. See this. And now they are asking value sine square theta plus tan square theta. Sine P by H and tan P by B. See the diagram, perpendicular and hypotenuse here. Put the values and now take the LCM. 24 upon 5 is the answer. Now see 15th question. In 15th question, 5 sin theta is 4. Find this value. If 5 sin theta as a 4. Now get the value of sin theta. Sin theta will be 4 by 5. And put here sin theta value. Write this thing. And now put the value and take the LCM. 9 is the answer. Now see 19th question. 5 cos A minus 12 sin A as 0. And find the value of this thing. Now just 5 cos A minus 12 sin A. Take 12 sin A that side. Now 5 cos A equals to 12 sin A. And cos A upon sin A equals to, you can write 12 upon 5. Change the place. Take this sin A under this cos A. And this 5 will go under 12. Now put the value of cos and sin. Cos formula is base upon hypotenuse. And sin formula is perpendicular upon hypotenuse, equal to 12 by 5. H cancel by H. Now B by P. Base upon perpendicular is 12 upon 5. And draw one diagram. Consider A. This is A angle here. A, because A is given here. Place of theta this time A is given. Now A is here. According to A, perpendicular will be this side. And base will be this side. And this is hypotenuse. So base and perpendicular put here. Base 12 and perpendicular 5. And use the Pythagoras. 13 will come out by Pythagoras. And now put the value in this. What they are asking. Sin A plus cos A upon 2 cos A minus sin A. Write this. And use the formula. Sin, cos formula. And now place the values from diagram. And what is the answer? 17 upon 19. So children, this is your exercise number 19A and 19B. And next time we will take 19C and 19D. Thank you.